Hey YouTube, Bennett here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy 18 volt battery out of a ton of little 9 volt batteries. As you can see here. It's kind of dark though, so let's use this homemade halogen bulb to light up the area a little bit. That's a little better. Wow. Alright, so this is pretty simple. Right. 6, 12 9 volt batteries taped together and then snapped together. They're little nubs like that. And I tried to make this as easy as possible. So I taped the wire down there and then wound it back and forth around all the negative terminals and all the positive terminals. And then put the outputs right here and there. And we can test that. These are all in parallel and series. There's 2 batteries here really. These 2 batteries are a bunch of 9 volt batteries. There's 5 batteries here really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're all in parallel. And 2 9 volt batteries make one 9 plus 9, 18 volt batteries. So there's like 5 18 volt batteries in parallel. Which is really what we're looking at here. And you can see right there, 18 volts about. And that is right there. So yeah, just a cool trick. And then, you know, I'd tape up these right here because I just took a wire and bent it back and forth. It's pretty simple. So yeah, good way to turn old 9 volt batteries into something useful. Of course, it's still enough to power this, which isn't enough to power this, which I'm going to stick on that, which is not 2 machetes duct taped to a 4 foot long board, I swear, and a ball mill.